learn Java together. I will be showing you how to install JDK and NetBeans in your system. So first of all, you can search NetBeans download in Google and it will open up this window. After it is opened up, you have to select which kind of system you have. If you have 86-bit, then click on download in 86-bit. If you have 64-bit, then you can click accordingly, but we are going for Java SE standard edition, so it is 100 MB file. Just click on the first one here, download, and it is a very standard process. After download finishes, you just have to click on next, and it will be finished. NetBeans IDE 8.2. I already installed the software, so this is how it looks like. I click on new project. You have Java. Click on Java application. Next. This is the project name, project location, and project folder. Click on finish. This is your class name, and this is your main method where you have to write the logic. And this is your package name. We will go into details, but for now, just remember that a package can contain multiple class, and a class has multiple methods through which we perform various logics and operations. Uh, Before that, you have to install JDK. So similarly, you can search in Google install JDK, and the first link that pops up will be this one. You have to download the latest version is JDK SE 15. SE is standard edition. EE means enterprise edition. Um, as we saw here, EE is enterprise edition. SE is standard edition. There is also one other known as micro edition, which is used in Android mobiles and smart TVs. I have installed. You have to download Oracle JDK from here. If you want the steps in detail for your Unix systems, then these are the steps. If you want the steps for Windows system, then these are the steps. Go to the download link which I just showed, select the appropriate JDK and download. These are pretty standard installations. You just have to click on next, and it will be installed. uh, After installation, do remember to restart your system. After JDK and NetBeans are installed, you are ready to go on new project and install and create your class. Apart from this, I would like to show you the learning path which I mentioned in previous video. This is the learning path. First, I have completed the three modules today. Overview, Introduction to Java Basics, and what is Java program. Fourth one, handling text and numbers is in progress. Further, I will be showing you what they are including. Array, conditions and loops, defining classes and creating objects, working with objects, handling exceptions, object-oriented approach to code reuse, cloud and beyond, case study. We will be giving you one case study for the above concepts that you just learned, and continue your learning as a Java programmer. And at last, after you submit the assignment, they will be giving you this badge which I have already mentioned, Oracle Learning Explorer. And after that, I also plan to give the exams for Oracle Foundations Java certification. And just for your information, I have not signed up, or though it is free, Oracle Cloud uh, free trial is available, but I have not signed up, and I'm not going to use that. I'll be doing my project for now only in my NetBeans. Let's see if I can submit my assignment or not through that. But these are the updates for today. Thank you, and keep practicing. I will be waiting for your progress. You can let me know your progress in comments.